that one dance, baby. That one dance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers. I am Sri Hartati from Nata News. I will accompany you for about 10 minutes with money information. The price of salt, people down. Now, then the salt grow in Sumeneb script, Palmera. The price of salt at the salt ferment level in Sumeneb Regency, East Java, begin to decline gradually over the past few days from Rp 3,500 per kilogram to Rp 2,100 the self-growers scream. Certainly, the price of salt is Rp 2,100 per kilo, said Ubaidillah, a salt farmer in Pinggir Pepes, Kaliangat Subdistrict, Sumeneb, Madura on Tuesday. He said, initially the price of peasant salt at the farm level fell from Rp 3,500 per kilogram to Rp 2,100. After that, it dropped again to Rp 2,600, then Rp 2,400, and now Rp 2,000 per kilogram. We expect that the price of salt will continue to fall due to imported salt, which is less rewarding for farmers, he said. Ubaidillah also pointed out, since a few days ago, the weather has returned to normal and supports the production of people's salt. Previously, it still frequently rains, which does not support salt production in Sumeneb and surrounding areas to make people's salt production disturbed. Indicate production of salt that makes the supply of salt commodities at the farm level is limited. This condition makes the price of salt to be expensive because it had record Rp 3,500 per kilogram. At the end of last week, 27,500 tons of imported salt from Australia arrived at the small and medium industry ICAM players in 3 regions, namely East Java, Central Java, and West Kalimantan. The next news. People now favor recreation compared to buying new clothes. Jakarta. Coordinating Minister for the Economy, Darmin Nasution reflects the pattern of public consumption at this time has begun to change towards entertainment. Our time is small. New clothes are quite important and proud, but these days are not so. Now, the important thing is different. Might be recreation or others lifestyle, said Darmin in Jakarta, Monday, 14 August 2017, with the change in the meaning and electricity, gas and water, LGE, 2017. Bank Indonesia sees the development of external debt in Q2 and 2017 very much healthy and under control. The official statement of Bank Indonesia. Jakarta, Tuesday, August 15, 2017. This is reflected, among others, from the ratio of Indonesia GDP to gross domestic product GDP at the end of second quarter 2007, recorded stable in the range of 34.2%, and even decreased when compared to second quarter price, which amount to 37.2. The ratio is also still better than the price such as Malaysia and Turkey. However, Jessica has long criminal record in Australia police. Murder suspect Jessica Kumala Wongso left poses with her friends Mayan Mirna Salihin in an undated photo booth photo. Former Jakarta Police Chief Insgen Tito Karnavian revealed on Monday that based on reports from the Australian Federal Police, Jessica had a criminal record worth 14 offenses and previously undergone psychology treatment in Australia. Murder suspect Jessica Kumala Wongso has a long police record in Australia and underwent psychological treatment when she was riding down under. Former Jakarta Police Chief Tito Karnavian said on Monday. The Australian Federal Police AFFD provided the Jakarta Police with relevant background information for Jessica, who has been named as a suspect in the murder of Mayan Mirna Salihin, who died after drinking with the IVP in case coordination. Police will receive the relevant documentation from Australia, which includes a criminal record detailing offense and her psychological treatment record. Tito, who has been installed as head of the National Counterterrorism Agency (BNPT), handed over the information to newly installed Jakarta Police Chief Insgen Megiarto. The National Police Chief Gen Badrion Haiti inaugurated Megiarto, the former West Java Police Chief, as Jakarta Police Chief on Monday. Police investigators submitted the update this year to the Proctor's office, following the first dossier being rejected by the office as it did not satisfy unexpected requirements. Jessica is the sole suspect in the murder case of her friend Mirna, who died after drinking a caffeinated coffee at Oliver Cafe Central, Jakarta in early January. Community in the consumption of household spending to online transactions or a complex Darmin Jadget, it has changed the pattern of public consumption. However, the transition to online is not a major factor in the slowdown in consumption, especially at the end of June 3 is a celebration of Eid and the community which holds consumption to return home. We do not know where the direction, certainly not on the development of digital technology, but what kind of firm 5 to 10 years we cannot answer it will, cite Darmin. Based on data from BP's economic growth in the second quarter of 2017 was 5% or the same as the previous quarter. However, it slowed down compared to the economic growth in the second quarter of 2016, which was 5.18%. If assumed during the first half of this year, economic growth of 5.01% also slowed compared to the same period last year at 5.0%. The next news. Indonesia foreign debt as of June 2017 reached $3,035,3. Jakarta. Jakarta Bank Indonesia (BI) announced Indonesia foreign debt (ULN) at the end of second quarter of 2007 record 3,000 net $35.3 of growth by external debt growth. The ID growth was slower when compared to the same period in 2006 of 6.8%. Based on the group of borrowers, the growth of ID is influenced by the slow growth of public sector debt and the continued reduction of private sector external debt growth. At the end of the second quarter of 2017, public sector ULNs totals $700.3 billion or 5.8% of total external debt or grew 7.3%, down from 10% in the preceding quarter. On the other hand, private sector external debt was recorded at $165.0 billion or 14.8% of total external debt, or debt by the time period Indonesia ID position in Q2 and 2007 remained dominated by long-term external debt. Long-term external debt position at net Q2 2007 was recorded $219.0 billion while short-term external debt position was $45.3 billion. According to the economic sector, the position of private external debt at the end of second quarter 2007 is concentrated in the financial sector. Well guys, that's all for the news. I am Sri Hartati. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.